our project which is called church registration. Where in that project we combine all activity. First is loading data from Superbase. The second is using theming. Third one it is navigating between screens by using named route. For me, let's discuss about loading data from database. We are here. We are going to take the record of the new student by registering his ID or her ID. So name like Bosco, year of study year 2, and we are going to choose the church, which is Adventist, and then click register. Once we register, this user or this student will already be displayed on the church registration screen. So, and when we check up in the Superbase, we see that the record of Bosco a little bit to be displayed. Code of Bosco already entered. So that is how to load data from Superbase. Thanks.
Let's continue to let us record the thing. As you see, there is color, which is blue. When you go back in our VS Code, you can change that color. So here in primary, when we change our color, like let's use a red, can save our color, the click arrow. When you go back in our output, you see that the color has been changed. Yeah, thank you.
I, Angelica Maria, thus we are going to see the use of name and the routes to navigate between two screens. So in our app, we have two routes. Yeah, the first one is for home, and the second one it is for art. You see this, we have the home screen. For home screen, when you want to add a person, we click on the add. So we see the new screen, the screen has changed. So when you want to go back, you click on this and you will see the home screen.